Welcome. Today, we're going to learn how to delete your highlights on Instagram. Whether you want to refresh your profile or simply remove outdated content, the process is quick and easy. Let's get started. First, open the Instagram app on your device. Make sure you are logged into your account so you can access your profile. Next, click on your profile photo located at the bottom left corner of the screen. This will take you to your profile page where all your posts and highlights are displayed. Once you're on your profile, look for the highlights section right under your bio. Here, you'll see all the highlights you've created. Find the highlight that you wish to delete. Now it's time to take action. Click and hold on the highlight you want to remove. A menu will pop up with several options for managing that highlight. From this menu, choose Delete Highlight. This option will allow you to remove the entire highlight from your profile. If you're only looking to delete a specific story within a highlight, you can select Edit Highlight instead and uncheck the stories you wish to remove. After selecting Delete Highlight, a confirmation message will appear, asking if you're sure about this action. Confirm the step by tapping on Delete. This finalizes the deletion process, and there you have it. Your highlight is now removed from your profile. Remember, even after deletion, your stories remain in your archive, so you can always revisit them later if needed. Whether you're cleaning up old memories or just updating your profile aesthetic, deleting highlights is a simple way to keep your Instagram fresh and relevant. Thanks for watching, and happy Instagramming.